Let's dive into a crucial gap in our education: financial literacy. We spent years learning history and science, but where were the lessons on credit scores, taxes, or investing? The education system, despite its merits, left us unprepared for real-world financial challenges. This isn't about blaming teachers, it's about recognizing a systemic flaw. Understanding money empowers you, making you harder to exploit. If the system isn't teaching you, ask why. Today we'll explore what wasn't taught, why it matters, and how you can take control. Let's get started. Let's unravel the money lie. The path of school, job, retire comfortably. We were taught to be employees, trading time for money, not entrepreneurs or investors. Saving money in a standard account as a wealth strategy? Outdated. Inflation erodes savings, yet this was barely mentioned. Degrees were sold as the only path to prosperity, ignoring entrepreneurship and investing. The mantra of retiring at 65 is outdated and broken. Job security is a myth. Relying on one income stream is risky. The system taught compliance, not financial independence. Saving in a bank account often loses to inflation. Depending on a single job is financial Russian roulette. Diversification of income was never emphasized. We were trained to be employees, not creators of wealth. The narrative discouraged questioning the status quo. We trusted institutions without critical analysis. This money lie maintains an economic order of consumers, not creators. We learned to earn and spend, but not to grow wealth. This educational gap has lasting consequences. What should we have learned? The power of compound interest. Imagine starting investments at 16, understanding growth over time. Building passive income streams should have been a focus. Credit scores dictate much of adult life. We needed to understand them. Avoiding debt traps and understanding high-interest loans were crucial lessons. Investment basics. Stocks, bonds, real estate. Not to make traders but informed investors. Taxation basics could save stress and money. Budgeting and financial planning should have been practical lessons. The psychology of money affects financial outcomes. Negotiation skills for salary and benefits could change careers. These skills were absent, leaving us unprepared. We learned Pythagoras, but not financial survival. It's almost comical if it weren't so detrimental. These are the skills we deserved. Who benefits from financial ignorance? Not you. Credit card companies profit from high interest and fees. Banks thrive on overdraft fees and low savings interest. Governments benefit from a populace unaware of inflation impacts. The investment industry profits from complexity and high fees. Consumer credit schemes prey on financial naivety. Employers benefit from employees unaware of their market value. The education system profits from easy student loans. Financial ignorance creates a power imbalance. An informed individual challenges fees and practices. Understanding money shifts the power dynamic. Learning about money isn't just about wealth, it's about protection. Financial literacy reclaims your financial agency. The less you know, the more vulnerable you are. It's time to confront this reality. Let's change our financial destinies. Now what can you do? Start your financial education. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Psychology of Money. Focus on building assets, stocks, real estate, businesses. Create multiple income streams. The single paycheck model is risky. Invest early and consistently, even small amounts. Stop trading time for money. Build income-generating systems. Understand debt management and credit utilization. Surround yourself with financially literate people and content. Create a written financial plan with clear goals and steps. Review and adjust your plan regularly. This is your personal curriculum for financial success. It's never too late to start learning. Take control of your financial education. The power to change your financial life is within you. You're not a victim, you're in a position of power. Financial freedom is learned, not taught. Start your journey today. Every step you take is a step towards financial independence. Let's make real change. Your financial awakening starts now. The school system missed the mark on financial education, but dwelling on the past won't change your future. You're not a victim, you're empowered to change. Financial freedom isn't handed out, it's learned. This journey is about self-education and action. Every wise investment and habit is a step forward. The real learning starts today. Imagine your future when you're fully awake.